Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette, St.Albert Dodge, showcasing a fresh trade. But first, if you want to get in contact with us, give me a call, 780-952-3018. Shoot us an email, we're clicking on the link. But I have a beautiful 2019 Ram 3500 Cummins turbo diesel. It's a limited trim level. It's got chrome appearance package. Absolutely beautiful front grille. There's a camera up here. We're going to be talking about a lot of the safety features, but this one has a 360 camera, gives you a bird's eye view, if you will, looking down at your truck. So camera up front, under each mirror, and then on the tailgate, they all stitch together and show you around. Inside, you can actually manipulate the cameras too. So, like for reference, I'll show you inside. This camera here, you can adjust the angles out so you can really see what's going on. The back cameras have a couple different views each as well too. Do have the tow mirrors integrated. So being a dually, you're going to want probably to leave those up all the time just to see past the dual rear wheel in the back, but you can do that. Power deployable running boards. Very handy to have. I have them on a couple trucks. A lot of people ask about the reliability. I've had them for a few years. Big guy, Alberta winters. Never once had an issue with them. So they are a lot more reliable than other brands were in the past. Do have the fifth wheel prep group, as you can see. So you can make, they make hitches that'll drop into there, or you can do a goose ball, whatever you want to do. But there is a camera up here in the third brake light. So another one of the 20-something camera angles this truck has is you can focus in and show your cargo area, and then zoom right in on that hitch ball, like especially if you're hooking up a goose trailer or horse trailer or something like that. Really, to see through the cab, through the window down there, it's pretty hard. So like having the camera is really handy. Do have 7-way plug and a 4-way flat back here for towing a trailer, 2.5-inch receiver. And then you have, with the fifth wheel prep group, you have a 7-way plug in the box for a fifth wheel, so you don't have to drape it over your tailgate. Easy open tailgate as well too. And then on the truck above the mirror and here, just double push it and it'll come down. And if you really felt how light it was, you'd be surprised, like 2 fingers and super easy. Chrome appearance group in the back. Do have parking sensors back here. Ram does a really nice feature, like if you're hooking up a trailer and you're backing up with the parking sensors on, they'll start beeping at you. There's a quick, easy button to shut them off in the front or the back. There's other brands out there that have big trucks that you have to go through a couple menu settings on your touchscreen, and it's really cumbersome and annoying. So having this right there is very handy to have. But yeah, let's take a look in the back seat and showcase the crew cab. Back here in the passenger compartment, do have flip-up seats and a fold flat floor. So you have a little platform that folds out. There's little legs to keep it stable. And you do have with the Harmon Kardon system in this particular truck, you have the under seat subwoofer. And then some storage over here. Do have the winter front. You want to make sure that you use that. It's very, very imperative when it's below -10, especially, that you have that on there just to help prevent your engine from cooling off too fast and keeping your cabin warm. So these snap down, but close these back. Beautiful Natura Plus leather. The leather quality in the Rams are second to none. Very, very nice, very supple, soft, comfortable, and durable. Cup holders in the center and the doors, and then up in the center console. These back seats, the outer ones are heated. Do have a 115-volt inverter, so if you do use fast charging phones or hooking up some sort of little appliance that's 400 watts or less, you can do that. And then you have a great electric cooler, be a good example, but USB ports, and then your rear zone heat ducts. Beautiful wood wood grain panels on the doors, really nice stitching, very, very sharp. Like the Ram, I think in 2019 was rated the best luxury vehicle in the US, the Ram 1500 specifically, but same cabin as this, and yeah, they're a great, great vehicle. Take a look. Underneath you do have the floor mats, but you do have Ram bins down here as well, so it's a little bit too far back, but there's bins that'll come out, and you can store tow straps, hitch balls, whatever you need in there. Or if you want to use those as like little coolers, put a couple ice packs in there, some drinks, some snacks on a road trip, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at the technology up front and go from there. Up front, push button start, foot on the brake, fire up the engine. Beautiful Cummins turbo diesel firing up. Super luxurious, refined, premium materials in here everywhere. The Ram steering wheels are awesome. They're heated. Seats are heated, of course, ventilated as well, but the wooden steering wheel up here, it's very nice to grab onto. Turn this off. Giant 12-inch touchscreen. We kind of revolutionized the industry. Everyone's kind of going to follow suit and copy these guys, but a ton of features. I could probably make, no joke, a 25-minute video on the touchscreen alone. I won't do that. Just kind of go over some highlight features. Nav, backup camera, and I'll show you that bird's eye view here. Go into surround camera, and you can see it's stitched around here. If you open up a door, it shuts it off so you're not getting bad information. But all the way around, and then you have your backup camera, front camera. So if you're going down a trail or some coming up over like a little mound on a dirt road, you can, when you're going slow, you can have that displaying up there. And then you have your trailer cameras. So you go left and right. I was talking about this earlier in the video. You can change all your positions. You can have your hitch camera, then zoom right into the ball. Then there's the third brake light, and then you can zoom right in on your gooseneck as well too. I think there's like 18 or 20. I should probably count them, but there's a whole bunch of different camera angles you can select with this. Deployable steps. It does have built-in air system. So you have, when you have a weight on there, it's lowering the trailer right now. So it'll lower it down, hook up your trailer, and then it'll automatically keep your load level. You probably won't be able to hear it, but you can hear the compressor filling up the air very, very slightly. Exhaust brake, I drive around with mine in my truck all the time going down a hill. It's good to keep it on. It'll slow you down, but it also reduce wear on your brakes. If you're towing in your tow haul mode, it works awesome. Advanced safety group, forward collision assist and adaptive cruise control. So if you're on the highway doing 100, someone's doing 80, come up behind them, it slows you down to 80, pull out into the next lane when it's safe, and then you'll speed back up to 100. Makes driving very, very easy, especially when you're towing. Last safety feature I'm talking about is the blind spot monitoring. So in the mirrors, there's little triangles. You might be able to see them, but they'll glow orange when there's a vehicle in your blind spot, so you don't merge into them. What I've enabled on mine, and then you can do on this too, is that if you do start to merge, it'll chime at you, letting you know if someone's in your blind spot. Also, if you're towing, it'll project the blind spot radar for your trailer, I think up to 12 meters. So I found it handy when I'm towing, if I'm just actually driving through the city, and then I need to merge lanes or go to a turn. If there's the mirrors, sorry, the triangle is not on, then I know it's safe to merge. If it is on, I have to speed up or just wait a minute and then merge in. Very, very handy. Yeah. Premium Harmon Kardon 17 speaker system. It sounds amazing. Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that great stuff. Sirius XM Guardian. So you can get a subscription, start your truck on the phone app. Have an assistant, SOS. There's a ton of stuff. I mean, like, I don't know, you could probably make a 45-minute video just on the interior features alone, but I won't bore you. Come see this truck in person. Give me a shout on my personal cell, 780-952-3018. Shoot me a text, ask for Jonathan, and I can assist you and show you all the stuff that can't show you in a video. Talk to you soon.